how to contact Facebook customer service. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you encountering any problem with Facebook and want to access the help center so that you can get customer support? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app, then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then scroll down, tap on help and support. Now go to report a problem. Now you can either shake your phone to report or tap on continue report at the bottom. And now it asks you if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report, like screenshot, video proof, and more. You can tap on include if you want to. And now you need to choose a feature. What is the problem that you're having? So I am having problem with too many ads. So I'll tap on ads. Now you can tell what kind of ads they are showing you, and is it sensitive content? Why don't you want it on your feed? You can take a screenshot, record your screen, or also upload from phone and just hit send on the top right. Facebook will get back to you within 24 or 48 hours. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.